when you do it like this, you have to take a step back. Yeah? So we always give one picture to the guides who work with children at the age of 1 to 3. And the picture we give is when you see a child on your side and you walk with the child, it actually would be that the child makes the first step and you follow that step. It's not that you make the step and you take the child with you. It's like the child makes the step and you follow. So that's the picture that we have in TLI Pedagogics. So when you try to keep this picture in your mind, then normally it helps you also to go a little bit in the back. You know, you just step back and have things going more on the experiential level and more on that level where the child really is at the moment in its development. Yeah, so then you don't push it to somewhere where it is. So that's the point where I normally tell a story. So for some years I was in personnel management in an organization with 1,400 people. And what I love to do is, after 60, 70, 80-hour work weeks, I love to go on holidays in a 5-star hotel. Yeah? All inclusive, nothing to do, just 2 weeks sleep. It was the worst thing I ever did, because when you sleep for 2 weeks, you just get more tired. Have you ever noticed that? Okay. So, but still I did it. And there was this animation team. They have this professional animation teams. Yeah? And so whenever I tried to sleep, this animation team came and said, do you want to play volleyball? Do you want to play water ball? Come, we are making role play. Come, we are doing that. Yeah, this was their job to do. And it was just so frustrating. Yeah? I wanted to do something very different, and I was constantly asked to do something, but I didn't want it. And that was actually the point when I realized, one moment, what are we actually doing with the children? Yeah, we are constantly trying to motivate them to do something what they are at this present moment not wanting to do. It can only cause frustration. Yeah, this is why we focused on just taking a step back and on the impulses in the growth spiral. We are giving more impulses and less activities. Yeah, the impulse is like the free choice of the child to take it or not to take it. When it's appropriate to the age of the child, he anyhow takes it. You can't get them off the game. Yeah? But if it's not appropriate to their development, then they don't take it.